Guys, this is Daniel. He's going to walk us through what's new in gaming.
Yep. So I'll start with the monitor. This is one of our new big products.
Love it.
So let me pause real quick. The biggest thing we're announcing right now is HyperX will become the main gaming brand.
Really?
So in the past we had Omen and HyperX.
Right.
So going forward we will use HyperX as our main Omen brand.
Okay.
And like like the headsets, like the cloud, right?
Okay.
So Omen will become the family brand for desktops, laptops, and monitors.
Okay, but
so it'll be HyperX Omen.
I
And
see.
whatever the product is.
Okay, so the nomenclature is changing a little bit, but still the same stuff.
It's still the same product.
Okay.
We're just swapping the brand. So you can see here, like we have the HX logo there, the
Yep.
HyperX, and then one on the back.
Okay.
So this is our newest OLED panel.
This is all that.
So this is the HyperX OMEN OLED 34,
Okay.
and it is our first ultra-wide OLED.
Now this is only 34 inches.
Yes.
Okay.
So we haven't ever released an ultra-wide OLED in the past.
Okay.
Because OLED is known for having text fringing in.
Mm-hmm.
Right. Problem is, whenever you take that screen and you curve it,
It starts. Yeah, it decreases. Yeah.
This is the next generation of QD OLED. So this is V-Stripe QD OLED.
Okay.
It's going to eliminate that text fringing problem, as well as give you better contrast, color, HDR.
Okay, so you've
completely
solved the
better
text
experience.
printing because everything. Yeah, it looks. I mean, the whole thing looks really uniform.
Yep.
Motion looks good too.
It'll now be 360 hertz
Okay.
for ultra wide, right?
Right.
So
Definitely gaming ready.
right now we're driving both of these. So I have it split.
Mm-hmm.
So we're driving both of these sides of the screen with that piece.
So this is happening on display. You're not. This is
Right.
not actually the software. I just thought you had one window pulled up here and one window pulled up there.
Nope. Yeah.
Oh,
So
okay.
you can get in here if you go into the OSD, you can
Yes.
split it either right down the middle or over
Great.
here, over there. You can picture in picture as well.
That is awesome. Wow, this is great.
So, and this is also our new OSD. So
Okay.
in the Omen Transcend 32, we introduced this GUI OSD, or whatever you want to call it.
Sure. Yeah.
This now we're continuing to refine it.
It looks a lot better. Yeah.
So you have the professional side still and the gaming side, so you hop back and forth. There's specific gaming options in.
So I saw you had P3 there. So it does have how much of the P3 spectrum
So-
does it cover?
Let me stop you there.
Yeah,
real
go
quick.
ahead,
Let
go
me-
ahead.
let me go to a different spiel.
Sure.
This will be our first branded monitor to be HyperX Pro Luma brand.
Okay.
We are doubling down on that professional like color accuracy brand.
Love
right?
it.
So this will be color calibrated to an average delta E of less than 1.
Less
And
than
it's
1.
99% display P3. It's 100% sRGB and then 97% Adobe RGB.
Okay, so Dan, so as you all know, sometimes I often game and work on the same displays, and switching between displays is very annoying. So to have a display like this that can, have vibrant, beautiful colors when I'm gaming, but then also be like realistic when I need to edit.
Right.
That's huge.
Yeah, I'm a video editor as well, so I'm just like, this is the monitor.
This is it, right?
It also has 100 watts power delivery over USB-C.
Okay,
So like my work
laptop.
laptop, plug it in, and a dedicated cabling switch right in the middle, so you
Okay.
can hop back and forth easily.
And now is it
Keyboard
just
mouse.
power and display, or is there like USB-C hub functionality?
So there
this?
is, you have the hub, but it's just, you have 2 ports,
Hey,
so
okay.
keyboard, mouse,
Perfect.
basic like KVM to
Yeah.
go back and forth between desktop
Great.
and laptop.
I love that. Because it keeps a lot of cables out of the way.
Right.
Yeah, love that. This is great. This is also height adjustable.
Yes, so it's height adjustable, tilt.
Okay.
We also have some new personalization options.
Okay.
So in the
Like
Omen
backlight?
Transcend 32, we had the headphone hook,
Okay.
but it was only mounted on one side,
Okay.
right? So now we have this kind of rail system with the headphone hook you can put on either side of the monitor,
Oh, okay.
as well as we're providing the STL file so you can 3D print your own headphone hook.
It's okay. All
So
right.
I'm not,
on both sides.
I'm not really a designer, but I did what I could and printed what I could, right?
That's great. It looks good though.
So it's fully customizable,
Very cool. Love that.
and you can choose which side you want.
Excited to put it on. That's great. Just a little comfort of life.
Right, exactly.
Future comforts. Yeah, this is great.